Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your cache in UFC Mobile 2 on Android. To do this, open your game. Now go to your settings. Scroll all the way down and press clear. Then confirm. Now we need to wait till it actually downloads new files. And it's done. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and commenting this video.